Okay, we want to use the law of sines or cosines to solve these oblique triangles, and we're going to round them to 1 decimal place. So the first thing we need to do here is draw us a triangle. We just make some random triangle and we'll put alpha in it. But the important thing is, if this is the angle you choose to be alpha, then the side opposite it is where A needs to go. So if the A equals 5 needs to go opposite the 13. And then we need to put the 17 in. That'll be beta, so that means this side's going to be B, this angle's going to be gamma, and this side's going to be C. Okay, so as I look at my triangle, I'm seeing if I can use the law of sines, and I can if I have an angle and a side opposite pair, and I do. I have this pair here, so I can use those and set those up to find another side or another angle. But actually, let's first find this angle, because anytime you have two angles, you can always get the third angle by taking 180 degrees minus the first two angles. So our gamma is going to be 180 degrees minus 17 minus 13, and that's going to give us 150. So we have all the angles solved. Now let's go for finding the two sides that we need. So let's go ahead and find B. So we're going to take side B over the sine of the angle opposite B, that's 17 degrees, and then we're going to take our angle and side opposite it pair. So that equals the side 5 over the sine of the angle opposite 5, so of 13 degrees. Now I just need to solve this for B, and that would put the sine 17 over here, and then get the calculator and go ahead and punch buttons, and we'll round to 1 decimal place. So we multiplied this over, so we've got 5 sine 17 degrees divided by sine 13 degrees, and to 1 decimal place, that's 6.5. So we've got gamma, we've got B, and now we need to find C. So in order to find C, we're going to take C over sine of the angle opposite C, that was 150, and then we're going to use our angle and side opposite pair that we know, so 5 over sine 13 degrees. So now we would just multiply the sine 150 over here and then get out the calculator, and we're going to put in 5 sine 150 divided by sine 13, and to 1 decimal place, C will be 11.1.